For the ultimate in asset protection, use an international business company, many times referred to as an IBC. An IBC is just a corporation formed in another country that will provide you with an ironclad barricade around your financial assets. What happens in the US when they get a judgment against you? They attach your assets, not with an IBC. Offshore corporations are outside of US jurisdiction, where creditors have no power and no authority to do anything. A sheriff can go offshore and try to attach assets. US courts can try to assert their jurisdiction, but nothing happens. The IBC is immune from all attempts to collect. You have total privacy and anonymity when you go offshore. The officers are nominees, and the ownership is distributed in bearer shares. There are no filings offshore that reveal who the owner is, offering complete privacy from financial predatory attorneys and creditors. Another reason IBCs are so popular is because most of the world's hottest investments are not available to US persons. If you want to invest offshore, you must have an IBC. Think about how many investments you can become involved with if you were to own your own IBC. Stocks in Europe, real estate, gold, the list is endless. IBCs are formed in tax-free jurisdictions, so there are no local taxes. Let the IBC put a friendly lien on your home or other assets. Now there is no equity for stalking creditors and asset-searching attorneys to take from you. Pay the IBC a fee for services and legally transfer money offshore, out of the reach of US creditors. In Belize and the Cayman Islands, it is illegal for bank employees to give out account information to anyone but the signer on the account. If a banker is caught passing information to creditors, they are fined and issued a prison sentence. With the penalties so steep for bankers that break the law, it's virtually impossible for creditors to attack your offshore assets. In the US, a simple subpoena or a few dollars under the counter and your creditors can find out anything they want about your bank account. In fact, they can even get copies of your statements for the past few years. Not with an offshore IBC and an offshore bank account. Place your asset in the IBC and have it lease them back to you. Now you do not own them. They are safe from creditors and you've legally transferred money offshore. Your assets are safe and your money is safe. In most cases, a properly constructed Nevada corporation will accomplish your asset protection objectives. But for those who are perpetual targets of frivolous lawsuits such as physicians, surgeons, or C-level executives, the IBC is absolutely the best tool for the rock-solid asset protection you deserve to preserve your family assets.